Hello guys, welcome to this video. Today I would like to talk to you about similes. A simile is a type of idiom that makes a comparison between two things using the words like or as. Some of them are very logical, for example, as light as a feather or as pretty as a picture. But some of them are not logical at all. Today I will share with you some similes that I think are not logical, and I would like to play with you a quiz game. To see if you can guess the word in a simile, let's get started. When you say that something is dry, what do you compare it with? I will give you two options, and you choose the one that you think is correct. Dry as a bone or dry as a leaf. I'll give you 3 seconds to think. Dry as a bone. Did you guess that one? Don't worry. If you didn't, like I told you, some of them are quite illogical. Ready for more? Okay. If someone is very drunk, do you say he is as drunk as a skunk or as drunk as a goat? 3 seconds. The correct answer is as drunk as a skunk. I think because it has a rhyme in it. I don't have any other explanation for why this particular animal was chosen for this simile. Let's try another animal simile. When someone is very proud, do you say he is as proud as a tiger or as proud as a peacock? Proud as a peacock. Now, if someone or something is dead, is it as dead as a door or as dead as a doornail? I'm not kidding you. One of them is correct. Yes, as dead as a doornail. And the last one for today, if someone is very happy, do you say happy as a clam or happy as a fish? The correct answer is as happy as a clam. That's all for today. I hope that you enjoy it and you will be as happy as a clam. Have a great day and a wonderful week. Thank you so much for watching, and try to keep watching us for more. Take care.